Hey there plant lovers. Welcome back to our channel. With the holiday season just around the corner, we thought it's the perfect time to talk about a popular and festive plant, the Christmas cactus. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just starting your green journey, we've got all the tips you need to keep your Christmas cactus looking its best throughout the holiday season and beyond. But before we jump into care tips, let's learn a little about our star, the Christmas cactus. These beautiful plants, also known as Schlumbergera, are native to the rainforests of Brazil. Their unique segmented leaves and gorgeous blossoms make them a favorite among indoor plant enthusiasts. Tip 1. Light and placement. Alright, let's talk about lighting. Christmas cacti are known for their ability to thrive in low to moderate light conditions, making them perfect for indoor spaces. However, they do appreciate some indirect sunlight, especially during the growing season. Place your cactus near a north or east facing window to ensure it gets just the right amount of light without getting scorched. Tip 2. Temperature and humidity. Maintaining the right temperature and humidity is key to keeping your Christmas cactus happy. These plants prefer temperatures between 60 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit during the day and slightly cooler at night. They also enjoy a bit of humidity, which can be achieved by misting them or placing a tray of water nearby. Tip 3. Watering techniques. Now, onto watering. Overwatering is a common mistake with Christmas cacti, so it's important to strike the right balance. Let the top inch of the soil dry out before watering, and make sure the pot has good drainage. During the active growing season spring and summer, water more frequently, and reduce the frequency during the dormant period fall and winter. Tip 4. Fertilizing routine. Our Christmas cactus friends appreciate a little boost of nutrients. Use a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer diluted to half strength during the growing season, approximately every 4 to 6 weeks. Remember, less is more when it comes to fertilizing. Tip 5. Pruning and propagation. To keep your Christmas cactus looking its best, occasional pruning is essential. Remove any dead or unhealthy segments to encourage new growth. And here's a fun bonus. You can easily propagate these beauties by taking stem cuttings and allowing them to root in a well-draining soil mix. Tip 6. Flowering. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the stunning blooms. Christmas cacti naturally bloom in response to changing light conditions, particularly shorter daylight hours. To encourage flowering, provide your cactus with about 12 to 14 hours of darkness each night for a few weeks leading up to the holiday season. Tip 7. Common issues and troubleshooting. Like any plant, Christmas cacti can face a few challenges. Keep an eye out for issues like root rot from overwatering or pests like mealybugs. If you notice any problems, address them promptly to ensure the health of your plant. In our next video, we will provide a detailed guide for addressing the common problems your Christmas cactus might face. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide to Christmas cactus care. Remember, these festive plants can become cherished family heirlooms if given the proper care and attention. With the right balance of light, water, and love, your Christmas cactus will thrive and grace your home with its vibrant blooms year after year. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more plant tips, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a green update.